himself an even bigger barn swing. That thing will take you 75 feet up in the air, sit you back down flying through that barn, going on nearly 50 miles an hour. Yeah, you could say that there ain't no chickens in that barn. That whistle you just heard up ahead means we're starting to head down a pretty steep hill. Now, I can tell by the look on some of y'all's faces, you're worried about brakes on this here train. Well, worry no more. Hey, we've got some of the best brakes money can buy. They're on back order. They'll be here sometime next week. Oh, y'all are listening. Well, in the meantime, everybody get your hands up in the air. Everybody hands up. And yell, woo! Now you know the emergency procedures if we lose the brakes on our current train. But if you look down on the floor, you'll see a button. Made you look. To your left is our Canon coaster. That's powder keg. 0 to breathless at 2.5 heartbeats flat, or at least that's what I can remember before I passed out. Folks, you're right behind locomotive number 76 today. 76 is built in 1940 as an 040T locomotive. Basically all that means as well it's only got 4 wheels and it ain't got a tender. Because it's a tank engine. Holds the water and the fuel right there beside the boiler. It's wearing the Southern 3 chimes that whistle up ahead. Let's listen to it just up ahead. Up 81 degrees straight down, 68 miles an hour. First wooden roller coaster ever to go upside down. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. And during Moonlight Madness and Moonlight Madness only, you can ride it in the dark. Outlaw Run, where the good guys always win. Now speaking of good guys, I did get some word about some bad guys back there at the train depot. See, we have these 2 notorious train robbers by the name of Alfie and Ralphie Bowman. Well, they done been busted out of jail last night, and they have been seen headed our way. So keep your eyes peeled, your fingers crossed, and if you've got any gold or silver in your teeth, well, I suggest you keep your mouth shut. Well, he was never very good with numbers. Like just the other day, I asked Ichabod, what's 3 and 1? He just laughed and said everybody knows 3 and 1's in oil. Do need to remind y'all to keep your arms inside the train. We're now entering rattlesnake country. Well, just found her husband, though. Yep, he's at the Silver Dollar Saloon buying rounds for everybody, crying on the shoulder of a saloon girl singing Happy Days Are Here Again. Ichabod, what are you doing? This ain't a scheduled stop. We can't stop out here in the middle of rattlesnake country. Oh no, speaking of snakes, I see 2 of the meanest snakes in the woods. It's that old Alfie and Ralphie Bowling, and they're flagging down our train. Everybody say, oh no! Let's see if we can't scare them off. Shake your fist at them and call them ugly. Oh, come on, folks. That would scare a church mouse off a piece of cheese. Everybody shake your fist at old Alfie and Ralphie Bowling and call them too ugly.
Ugly!
Couldn't have said that any better myself if I even tried. Thank you, Doctor. Uh-oh. Hey, what's the bright idea of stopping my train out here in the middle of rattlesnake country at night? Don't you know I'm on a time schedule? Well, we gotta warn you, there's Yankees down there. Yankees? Yankees! Right up around the bend. They got fireworks down there and wooden war clubs. And you know what they're doing? What are they doing? They're swinging and swatting at everything, but they can't hit nothing. Well, why can't they hit nothing? They're New York Yankees. Oh, Poland, everybody knows there ain't been Yankees in these here woods going on nearly 50 years. 50 years? Well, hey, they're back. They're back? Yeah, getting ready to set off a bunch of fireworks, but they're back, and they're mean. Well, how do you know they're so mean? Well, that's not me and Ralph. We sneaked up on them in the trees, and we heard them talking. Well, what'd they say? Hey, Ralph, tell me what they say. They say, wow! Yeehaw! There you go. Hey. That's what they say. I don't speak none of this Yankee talk. What do you suppose it means? It means that they're going to swoop down on the train. And they'll burn it to the ground. Yeehaw! And they're going to steal all the women. All the girls. Bowen, I ain't buying this Yankee story for a minute. Well, you don't got it. It's free. What's the deal? I still don't want it, but for the safety of my passengers, Nicky Mott, I'm going to go up around the bend and take a look. All right, watch out for them fireworks. Hey, I got another good idea. You can back it up. You stay away from my train. If I come back out here and find you anywhere, and I mean anywhere near them, you're both a big surprise. What you got? Well, how about another belly button? Hey, you get my surprise around. Yeah, you get my surprise around. Wait a minute, I'm Ralph. I know that you're Ralph. I don't need another belly button. Yeah, well, here is a stick-up. It's the best joke in the whole show. Anyways, what we got here is a train robbery. So everybody get your hands up and act real scared so we can rob you. Everybody? Everybody, come on now. Get them up, get them up.
Coming at the stairs just like he said.
Yeah, but you're on my side.
But that's what scares me.
Get down here. Now, if I told you to jump on the cliff and do a pile of rocks, wouldn't you do that too?
Not again. The last time it really hurt.
Now, look. We got a train to rob, so you get them high rollers up here at the front.
High rollers?
And I'll get the cheap seats at the back.
Cheap seats.
Now remember, get all the gold.
Gold. Silver.
Copper and dollars.
Copper and dollars. Hey.
No, not dollars. Dollars. D-A-W-Ers. Dollars. Yankee money.
Yankee money. I love Yankee money.
Well, good. Get the robbing.
All right. Gold. Silver. Copper.
Y'all got any cents? Gold. Silver.
Oh, cotton candy? Cotton candy? No. Gold. Silver. Copper. Hey. Gold. Silver. Copper. There's a car back there?
Well, I'll give you something to talk about.
What's that?
I got some lead.
Oh, I don't need no lead.
Why not?
Because I run better unleaded.
How come you don't tell your brother up here?
Hey, up here.
I don't like to be called that.
Well, he doesn't like to be called that.
Well, that's not what I meant.
That's what you said.
Bowen, you know you're about this close to an idiot.
Not for long. Woohoo!
Trouble up here is I went all the way down there. There's no Yankees.
No Yankees.
Come back here. It makes matters worse. You two were robbing my train. Well, we're sorry about that. Don't tell me you're sorry. You tell all those nice folks you robbed them sorry. Now, if you hurt the man, tell him you're sorry.
You're sorry.
Not what I meant.
Said.
You know, you're just going to go down here and count to 3 and make 2 outlaws run. You're an outlaw.
Time to run.
Time to run.
One.
Two.
One.
Two.
One.
Well, you cut that out. We ain't getting nowhere. Hey, Ralph, you found a tree.
I found a tree.
Trouble with that tree, there's a fork in it.
Where?
There.
Oh.
Oh, no, not there.
Not there again. Oh, my goodness. There was a fork in the tree.
How do you know that?
I think he's psychotic.
Well, it'll feel better when it's done.
Out here, out the ball, folks. Give them a big round of applause for letting our train go.
Yo.
Yeah, they've been out here robbing trains all day long for just a little bit of sense. Everybody say bye, Alfie and Ralphie. Nice. I'm looking forward to that the most. Also, don't forget about Old Time Christmas. Silver Dollar City and over 6.5 million Christmas lights. It's going to be fun, guys. Be sure to come back. Check out silverdollarcity.com for all the information on upcoming festivals and events. You need to remind y'all to keep your arms, legs, hands, feet, noses, and toes inside the train. We're approaching Sweet Mary's Tunnel. Now, on the other side of the tunnel, for the engineer, I do have to turn out the cab lights. So just be aware that as soon as we exit the tunnel, the lights will be going out until we get back to the depot. We're going to have ourselves a good old-fashioned Ozark screaming contest. When I call out your car number, I want y'all to scream just as loud as proud as you possibly can. They want to hear you all the way over there on Outlaw Run. Let's show those folks that you don't have to go upside down 70 miles an hour 3 times to have a good time. All right, car number 1, scream. Car number 2, scream. Scream. All right, car 4, scream. That's y'all. Give yourselves a round of applause. That was awesome. Roundhouses, well, let's not round it square. That's right, we don't cut corners here at Silver Dollar City. Folks, our maintenance crew does an awesome job restoring, operating, maintaining all 5 of our active steam locomotives. They do an awesome job for us. Up ahead and to your right, well, that's a fence. Don't look over it, though. We will tell you everything you want to know about that and more August 13th. Mark your calendars. It's going to be awesome. Fireman's Landing is dedicated to all those brave men and women who proudly serve as firefighters, EMTs, and first responders all across our great nation. God bless each and every one of them and thank them for their service. This time I'd also like to thank our current active military and veterans. Folks, without their sacrifice, without their family's sacrifice, we couldn't be out here riding steam trains here at Silver Dollar City. On behalf of all of us here, God bless each and every one of you. Thanks for your service. Let's keep our active military in our thoughts and prayers so everybody can make it home safe. Sounds like the fireworks are going as we're going through the railway crossing up here. They'll be off to your left-hand side as we're going through the railway crossing. Now let's wave, shout, hoot, holler at these folks as we are going by. And maybe they will hear you all the way down there at Echo Hollow shooting off those fireworks. You need to remind everybody to keep your arms inside the train for your safety. All right, get ready, wave, shout, hoot, holler, and yell howdy. Get ready. All right, car number 1, wave and yell howdy. Car number 2, wave and yell howdy. Car number 3, wave and yell howdy. Car number 4, wave and yell hey, hey, hey. What do you say? On behalf of all of us here on the Frisco Silver Dollar Line, we'd like to thank y'all for coming out and riding our train at this time. Go ahead and look around, make sure you got all your trash, all your relatives, all your trashy relatives. If you don't want them, we don't want them either. Hey, don't look at each other like that. That's not nice. Need everybody to remain seated. As the engineer sets the brakes, we do have a tendency to jerk and roll back. Everybody please remain seated for your safety at this time. Everybody wait. 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 All right, y'all safe text out your left-hand side. Watch your head, watch your step. If you can't watch it out, watch your mouth. This is a family park. Y'all have a great rest of your night. Enjoy the fireworks.